An attorney representing Hunter Biden has fired off a legal threat to Tucker Carlson and Fox News, demanding a retraction for segments suggesting that Biden made nearly $50,000 a month in housing rent payments to his father, President Joe Biden. The implication in the Carlson segments, picked up on by other Fox News personalities, was that the money was being laundered to Joe Biden before he was elected president. In the letter, Brian Sullivan asked Carlson and Fox News Media General Counsel Bernard Guger for an acknowledgement that the network erred by not verifying the information underlying the so-called rent story and relying on information that it knew was described as wild speculation. Sullivan also is asking for other statements to be made on air, including an apology. Carlson's segment on January 16 cited a rental application background check form allegedly filled out by Hunter Biden in 2018. In the application, which was first posted online by an anonymous Twitter user and was claimed to have come from Hunter Biden's laptop hard drive, there was a reference to a rent payment that totaled nearly $50,000 per month. In his segment, Carlson claimed that the payment was for housing costs. He said, "So how did a disgraced drug addict with no job skills make enough money to make a $50,000 a month rent payment? Who is paying and how much are they paying him, and why were they paying him? And by the way, what classified documents keep appearing in homes that Hunter Biden lived in?" The latter was a reference to the discovering of documents with classified markings found at Joe Biden's Wilmington home. Carlson also asked, "So is it possible that Joe Biden's lifestyle was financed by his son and his son's dealings with foreign governments? Apparently he shared a bank account with his son." Other Fox News personalities, including Sean Hannity and Jeanine Pirro, picked up on the story. Fox News anchor John Roberts said, Hunter Biden listed the Wilmington home as his primary residence that he was renting for $50,000 a month. "And I assume that the documents were in the garage at that time." In his letter, Sullivan pointed out that the rent payments actually were quarterly payments made for Washington, D.C. office space at the House of Sweden. Sullivan cited a January 21 fact-check report in the Washington Post. The attorney also pointed to Carlson's acknowledgement that he relied for his report from the anonymous Twitter user as well as reporting done by the New York Post's Miranda Devine. But Sullivan pointed out that Devine had sent cautionary tweets about the $50,000 per month rent, noting that the claims that it was for the Wilmington home were wild speculation.